In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove headers and footers in Google Docs. Whether you've encountered unwanted text at the top or bottom of your document, or simply wish for a cleaner presentation, knowing how to handle headers and footers is an essential skill. We'll cover two straightforward methods that can help you accomplish this task with ease. Let's start with our first method, which involves using the menu options within Google Docs. So, to begin, you'll need to open the Google Docs file from which you want to remove the header or footer. Once your document is open and ready, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll be looking for the Insert tab. A click here will expand a drop-down menu with multiple options. Under Page Elements, you'll find an option labeled Header and Page Number. Hover over it, and you'll see further options to either remove the header or remove the footer, depending on which one you're dealing with at the moment. Once you've made your selection, the unwanted section is immediately deleted from your document. This method is particularly useful if you prefer using menus and having a structured approach to editing your document. Now, let's explore another method that is even quicker for some. Using the double-click technique. This approach might suit you if you enjoy intuitive, hands-on methods of editing. First, move your cursor to the header or footer area you wish to remove. You can easily spot these sections as they usually contain the text that appears at the top or bottom of your pages and often appear differently from the main document text. Next, double-click within that section, making sure your cursor is within the text you want to eliminate. Then simply delete all the text inside of it. Once the text is gone, click anywhere outside the header or footer area. Doing so confirms the removal, and your page automatically updates to reflect the changes. Both methods are effective, but choosing one over the other depends on your personal preference and the way you like to interact with your document. Using the menu might feel safer and more controlled for some, while the double-click method provides a sense of immediacy. Should you encounter any difficulty or have further questions about working with headers and footers, don't hesitate to look for additional resources or reach out to the Google Docs support community for guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these techniques helpful in managing your Google Docs documents more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this one.